During renovation ceremony of the road connecting Kibirizi and Kitimba at Kebisoni in Rukungiri District, residents of Chafora village finally had an opportunity to voice their concerns. They expressed their frustration over adverse impact of these road conditions, which is hampering their ability to transport goods, subsequently affecting their income and hampering development of the area.
Due to poor roads, we as residents have encountered difficulties in transporting goods such as coffee, beans, and matoke, among others. The main issue revolves around the state of our roads, which is very poor. It is widely known that roads are the sole pathway to development in these regions.
The deteriorating roads have cast a shadow over the aspirations of Chafora village's residents. These hardworking individuals are finding it increasingly difficult to move their goods due to the poor road conditions. With limited access to markets and neighboring districts, their potential to earn a sustainable income has been significantly curtailed.
In my entire life, this marks the first occasion where I have witnessed government constructing our road in this area. I am genuinely pleased as this road will link us to wider markets in places like Rukungiri. Once it's complete, we anticipate increased earnings. We should exert more pressure to UNRA just like we did for the upcoming renovations of the road connecting Kibirizi and Kitimba in Rukungiri District.
In light of these challenges, need for immediate action becomes evident. The local authorities and stakeholders should collaborate to address the road infrastructure problems in Chafora village. Investment in road rehabilitation and maintenance is crucial to not only improve the residents' lives, but also contribute to economic growth of the region.
Government yaba niyo kubagomesa ibi byo kubagabira byabusha abantu bagenda gukora nambwe nora n'abaruhone.
The issue I'm not seeing is people's reluctancy to work just because of the situation of the roads. But still, I am requesting government to step in because these roads are crucial for businesses and economic progress in this place. While focusing on road repairs, Chafora village must also look beyond its borders, exploring trade opportunities with neighboring districts and other regions within Uganda can open doors to new markets. Kate Namgera, Bronya Katsime, Smart 24 TV, Business Today.